There's just a roll called the Yo Sexy roll.
Why did you bring your iMac to the Airbnb?
That is a sentence you only hear once in your life.
So why do photographers wear all black and gray?
I almost wore a pink shirt here, and then I was like, who am I kidding? And then I wore black.
Yeah.
You're not kidding.
It's not like golden hour, I'm not going.
If it's not golden hour, you're not going outside?
No, it's too.
Why wouldn't we?
It's too bright otherwise.
There's people out there.
Is it really?
This is what photographers do. They just close.
Do they know Jessica's here?
Oh. That door is like the most horror. Like that should be in a horror movie.
Yeah.
I can hear people living out there.
I don't like it. I feel like we should.
Guys, I don't think we should. I don't think we should. I don't think we should.
Who's
just
getting a
do a live stream instead or something?
Yeah, I don't want
You guys don't want to go to the park?
No.
No one wants to go to the park?
What's there to do at a
Can we go into that dark room?
What would you do at a park?
This is the park.
Let's go in here.
No, there's a window. That's better. That feels
This is
good.
the only thing giving me comfort right now is just holding a
It's like a
lens.
cat just pushing things close to home.
This feels good now. Like I don't know. This is comfortable to me.
Where'd you get that lens
I
from?
don't know.
You're like, I don't even use you.
I don't know what this is. I don't know how to use it. I don't know.
Is it like that one lens that you don't even use but you just have?
I'm just carrying this glass. It has nothing to do with it.
Well, but it looks so classy on you.
Yeah.
I'm not
It
gonna
looks
just
so.
say that.
You should take it with you to the park.
I'm just gonna walk through the park like
Specifically have a glass
all the time.
like yeah, just for all of your social.
Let's go to the park and take it with you.
I get it with my finger imprints in it, so it only fits to my hand. I had to stop in my car because I'm just going to level up the level of extra in this.
Okay, let's go.
It'll be okay.
Are you okay, Mark?
Yeah, I'm good. Just don't really.
Let's go yelling at everyone.
Yeah.
Can you send me that? You know what, Miles? You're out of here. I love you, Miles.
Uh-huh.
Look at he's like,
I can really. Oh my god.
No. No.
I looked back and it was just the glass there. I was like, does it exist anymore? You go outside without long coats? Weird. Weird. Not here.
Not here.
It'll be 115 and I'll have my English long coat.
Wow, model. You gotta model it. Go. Do a spin.
Dude, you look freaking classy.
He does. He really does.
What the heck?
Day at the park. Day at the park.
Oh, just a little outdoor look.
You know, photographers are usually inside all the time, retouching, huddled over their computers. So I thought, why not do a field trip to the park?
You tell him.
Here we go.
Like they're editing, but actually just sitting on it.
We're gonna say that we're editing on the internet, but this is what we're really doing.
Let's all tweet it right now on 3.
Let's all tweet. Don't tweet that we're outside. We're gonna get angry messages saying like, where's my picture?
Why aren't you doing your job?
Why aren't you doing your jobs? Why aren't you working?
Yikes. Are those edits ready yet? Can I get those
Did you guys see
edits?
that one with like all those people punching the photographer?
Before you guys get into the park, I just want to tell you guys something.
Okay. Okay.
Now, so you guys, this is a park. It looks scary. Yes, there's a lot of people. Yes, they're wearing colors.
Oh.
And they probably use the iPhone to take pictures.
Jacket hanging there on that gate. Like,
What's my jacket?
you want to know why I don't go out? Look at this. Just film this sign. No graffiti. So they graffitied on
You
it.
sent me the wrong image.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go. Let's go squat. Wait, what? Not even focusing.
Can you have them done by tomorrow? Can you send me the raw images?
Oof.
Throws Instagram filter over edit. I'll get back to you. Dude, I'm posting that to my story. Send it to me.
Yeah.
That's every one in the last week.
Yeah.
We'll post
I'll
it.
get back to you. Mine is, can I just get the raws?
I love that.
100% always.
No one asks me for raw to edit
I love how we're like all wearing black.
Stuff. Just so people
We look like
won't
a
ask.
gang. Yeah,
We
so
do.
people won't ask.
Yeah, same.
I think we should go this way.
Yeah? What makes
Yeah,
you-
this is the way they seem to be going. I
Because,
think we have to run.
because there's people behind
Oh
us.
my gosh,
I don't like him.
Start running.
What is that? Hard pass. They're going so fast. I like how you're just in party mode.
Still have a cup of vodka. He still has a
Socialization.
cup of vodka.
Wait, I actually like these leaves. Nature. Low key like location scouting right now. Just a little. Yeah, just a little bit location scouting. Oh my god, some fuchsia flowers. Let's go shoot those.
Let's go take pictures there. Of course, Mark brings his camera. Of course.
Well,
We're
I mean,
shooting.
we're gonna be at a park and like, what are we supposed to do?
Are we judging him?
A little.
No, this is not better. Okay.
Part of me just wants to bounce in some film. Like,
Yeah, but can't.
I'm like,
Grab like a white
shirt.
white piece of paper or something.
I can just take my shirt off. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, it's so
I'm not even lying.
Literally me right now. That guy. What happened at this park to make this sign happen?
Especially violators will be prosecuted.
For
Who's a
having
motorcycle here? Who has a motorcycle is like, this is the perfect place.
I'm sorry, but also, what is a mini
dark, but
bike?
I'm
I
definitely
feel
gonna
like
play
we
that.
passed over that and I still don't
I just
know.
want to see.
we should go ask somebody.
True.
Oh, love.
I mean, Lisa's gorgeous, so you can't really take a bad
it's
picture of
hard
her.
not to- yeah. But at the same time,
But at the same time,
Haley, fix your face.
like,
There it is. That's the one.
That was a good one.
This video is actually photographers take ugly pictures of each other.
Do that though.
okay, let's do it. Let's go.
I don't think I think you're actually gonna look really good, to be honest.
Oh wait,
If I
Go.
like, oh wait, we just made this a thing.
we did.
Go.
You look proper with the glass and everything.
Oh.
Don't get back in.
I only have one sleeve
prison
in.
2.
And 3. Oh my god.
What about our face?
Is my eye in focus?
Oh my god, we're
I
freaking beautiful!
Oh my god, how wow.
Okay, I need to get a photo.
You know how you just tried to do the same thing? Yeah. I did to your butt? We're beautiful. Let's swipe this. Delete that one.
Like, wow, that cough.
Yes, little.
Water.
The LA water.
Get that LA water flavor.
He
I
just
can taste the
dies.
pollution in the air.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we should take a lap. We should be
It's
healthy.
like small amounts of
Dude,
fluoride, a little
I
bit
ran
of chlorine.
earlier.
We should do nature walks more.
I think this is enough for the year. Pretty good.
Can I do like a
mad about
headshot for everyone?
2018, we're done. We're good. Don't need
28.
to go outside more.
I can't watch people play baseball.
Why not?
I can't watch sports.
Yeah. Oh, physically, I can't even see what's happening because I'm not looking in that. I'm not looking in that direction.
That's a good bit. I can't even watch.
I can't watch
Because I'm
sports.
not
I'm not looking at it.
I can't watch
Be
sports
hard.
because I'm not looking in that direction. You guys are hungry, huh?
How do you feel?
Honestly, it's exhausting. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm finished. I've had it.
I think
I'm
we're
good.
I think we're like a quarter mile away from the house.
I did not know that there was this many people that just go to parks, do things. I haven't left my house in like a month, I guess.
I think I lost at least like 15 pounds right now.
Yeah.
The most walking I've done. Nice. this is really nice.
When you walk once.
When you walk one time, I'm so
Look
healthy.
at that gym over there.
I look so
There's an
healthy.
outdoor gym.
I'm walking. My skin is clear. I'm breathing air. I'm drinking more water. I'm being a better person. I'm returning emails. I'm texting as we speak.
All these
I've had
emails.
4 calls.
I'm editing pictures. Why are there so many people here on a Monday?
Oh, it's Monday.
It is.
Is it like
It's summer
When none
holidays.
of us
because
know
of
what day
Mother's
it
Day,
is.
or-
So are we gonna like Uber back? You know?
I can do it right
Here?
Thoughts?
What's the pickup zone?
I'm not gonna fight that. I'm not mad at that because I'm wearing boots.
It's like a full block. And I'm tired.
Dude,
Look at Miles is like, okay.
this is the halfway point.
Oh hey, when can we get those shots?
Hey, can we get those pictures you just took of us?
Can you get the raw? Well, there's an ice cream truck right here, so
Actually, there is.
yeah. So obviously, I want the Ninja Turtle.
Do you want any ice cream? Should we get ice cream? It's right here.
I'm seeing something that's just called Fruta Bomba, and I want it. Yeah,
Where is it?
it's actually right by Lisa's head.
Fruta Bomba?
That sounds like a dance. Wait, can we just try to say some of these words? Mangonada?
Where?
It, on the Fruta Bomba.
Bubble,
Booblegum.
go.
Booblegum.
Mmm.
Googly, googly,
Boobly goomy.
googly, googly.
I bet you thought I didn't know what a
Sea
googly
Ranch. I don't even know how to mess up the first one, to be honest.
Oh my god.
Sea Ranch.
It's a UFO.
I've finally seen one. My whole life I've wanted to see a UFO and I found one right now on this ice cream truck.
It's here. It's been in LA all along. Also, what is this human? What is this human shape? They like gave him a soft breast. It's like a little peck action.
I feel like they modeled it after like 90% of the people they see here. And
Let's do it. Do the shape. Go.
I can't even. It's like, but like one leg is
I don't know.
longer.
I'm not good at that.
Everyone's eating ice cream.
Why is everyone running here? Are they
Well, if
in a
I'm gonna
hurry
do
or-
something healthy, you know.
Excuse me, miss, what's the event? We should ask.
I'm sorry.
I'm pretty
Hello?
sure I just saw a soccer ball here.
Violators will be fine.
It says you're not allowed to sock her.
Did someone just like launch a ball here? Someone just launched a ball at John. John, are you okay?
I'm frightened.
the-
I'm shook.
The kids saw you making fun of their parents on that sign.
And now we're playing, guys.
No, I didn't want to.
They made us part of
You're
it.
tagged in.
We're complicit.
You didn't even try to contain that ball.
I was just like, I'm done. I'm Arab, but not that Arab. My Arab cuts off at like hummus. I don't do the soccer thing.
I definitely know how to organize your photos if you need help.
Yeah.
Like,
I know Excel.
yeah.
I know like one tab in InDesign.
There you go.
That should be good enough.
You're hard.
Oh, that's hard.
Rude.
When are we gonna get our pictures? Can we have all the files?
I need
Do you
my
have
computer.
Wi-Fi on that camera?
Can we just get one photo edited? We just don't want. We only want one.
I hate when people ask if you have Wi-Fi on the camera because they know damn well you do,
Yeah.
and they know, and they're like,
Mine actually doesn't.
Can you
I
extend
still
the
not lie.
background so it fits my IG?
Extend the background. So sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
"Can you put me in Greece?"
Yeah.